Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. Alright, now, first up, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show when a person walked up to a motor vehicle that was parked, and the person did some things that are considered to be suspicious behavior. Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to what exactly the person had done, viewers and subscribers. But I want you to look at the video and tell me what you think. You can tell me if you think the person steal anything from inside of the motor vehicle, or if you think the person did not steal anything from inside of the motor vehicle. Please bear in mind that the video shows when a person walked up to where a motor vehicle was at or parked, holding on to at least one thing, and the video clearly shows when the person walked away from where the motor vehicle was at, holding on to more than one thing. So you can tell me what you think based on what you're about to see in this video, and please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Okay, my people, so take notice that the video shows when the person walked up to where the motor vehicle was at, holding on to at least one thing, and then the video also shows when the person was walking away from where the motor vehicle was at, holding on to more than one things. That's what I'm saying to you. However, I didn't get any confirmed information to say, hey, this is what exactly happened, but the video itself is being talked about on social media. So based on certain things that I saw in the video, you can let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. Alright, now here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a protest. The video is also going to show quite a number of objects that had been set on fire in the middle of a road. Now, I did not get any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video had been recorded. However, in the video, you can hear when a person said Guyana. And it is also said that some persons from within an area throw objects in the middle of a road, and a lot of those objects had been set on fire. In the video, you can also hear when a person talked about someone. And I got the understanding that the video is being talked about on social media, not only because the video shows certain amount of objects in the middle of the road that was set on fire, but also because of some words that a person said in the video. Now, viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Observe.
Look at traffic chase encouraging the villagers then to burn our road. What this man, he very corrupt. He and all of his team, his whole team. Yeah, very corrupt. What he telling them burn. Well, like that way back, I just drive up the camera, forget his zoom. Look, he telling them for burn. What this man? Guyana is a real place? Look at these people. These people know I they're on the highway for 35 years. These people know these land belongs to people, and they still continue to build. Government open a village named Swan, put them in. Open another village named Circuitville, put them in. And these people is refusing to move. You understand what I'm showing you? I was once like them. And I move and I get a 10-acre land inside of my name, farming land.
Alright, now my people, did you hear those words that the person said in the video, viewers and subscribers? Okay, so the video shows some things that happened during a protest, viewers and subscribers. You see it? And in the video, you can hear when a person said Guyana. Alright? Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I am going to read some words from a news article that I saw. But I want you to please bear in mind that I don't have any confirmed information to determine if those words from the news article have anything to do with the video that I just presented to you. But I found the news article to be interesting. I'm gonna read some words from that news article to you, alright? So listen. So, the news article said, the Guyana government is refuting allegations that it is involved in the demolition of property and eviction of squatters at Hillfoot at a certain highway. You see what I say? Now, my people, listen. The news article said a statement issued by the Department of Public Information bracket DPI on Thursday noted that this has been an ongoing dispute between the squatters and the property owner, and the name of the person was mentioned. You see what I say? So the news article also have some more words that includes the owner has been engaging the squatters to remove from his private lands since 2019, and after they refused, he took the matter to court. The news article also said High Court judge, a name had been mentioned and a certain date had been mentioned, ruled in the case and ordered that all certain number of squatters to remove from the private lands, viewers and subscribers. So the news article also said that the landowner finally took action on Wednesday, and in the company of officers from the court and the police force, some structures were demolished. The squatters, so in my point of view, I think that means persons who are believed to be squatters, took to the streets in protest. They blocked the roads and lit debris on fire. And the news article also have more words in it, viewers and subscribers. I'm not going to read all of those words. So may I say, but me just try to give you an understanding of the news article where me read from. Quite a number of videos posted on social media about the situation that I read in the news article. So my people, me just make you have an understanding of the news article that I read, and I make it very clear that I don't know if those words that I read in the news article have anything to do with a video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now, when it comes on to an audio that is circulating on social media, claiming that a female talk about a InDrive worker, and that the female said certain things about the person who is said to be a InDrive worker. Well, I saw a video on social media, and a person who I saw in the video is said to be the InDrive worker, and that the InDrive worker refutes claims that he intended to hurt a female passenger. Now let me explain to you in my words, and according to how I understand some words that the person said in the video that I saw. Please bear in mind that I might not say word for word as to how the person said certain words in the video that I saw. But listen. Now, first of all, viewers and subscribers, some people on social media might have gotten some form of information that the person goes by the name of Errol. It is said and allegedly that the InDrive worker was about to or was trying to take a shortcut, and that he and the female was at one point traveling at Lady Musgrave Road, and the female's destination is said to be Hope Road at the time. However, the man said that he was trying to detour from the traffic, but based on some words that he said, it seems as if he said that he make a wrong turn, and to him attack in the video, it don't even sure like he was able to explain properly about the alleged wrong turn that him say make. So may I say, in the video, he mentioned the word map. Now, when it comes on to the whole InDrive thing, viewers and subscribers, let me say, based on certain knowledge and information about InDrive. It's like typically whenever a customer, order pickup or support, you might get a map due to a certain type of app or something with your phone. So they say, but based on what the person has said in the video, it's like he must say that the map or the female map, they show the pickup, but he not show the drop off. He said some more words that gave me the understanding that he said that him asked the female if she knew the area, and she said no. So he said that even prompted more to turn back because he was going to force something that he's not even certain about based on not seeing any navigation. You hear me, some people? So the person also said some more words that gave me the understanding that he said that's when him turn back, like him say go back in the traffic then, and that's when she say let her out. So the InDriver say him stop and ask the female to pay, and that she refuses or she refuse. So him saying continue driving because he was heading back to Lady Musgrave Road, and that she was uncomfortable based on the route that he took. So it's like him saying that go back to the traffic to make everybody be at ease. So me and some people, and him said that she took it the wrong way. Him say while he was driving, she jumped out of the vehicle. Him say while he was driving, the female jumped out of the vehicle. So somebody asked the driver if him stop, and him said no, he never stop. Him said where she jumped out of the vehicle, there was a lot of people. And him said in Jamaica, once you tell somebody say a certain things are happen to you, them going to take it up in them hand. Him say him a Jamaican and him know how Jamaican think. Them now go ask him no question. It is said that the man, that's the InDrive driver, go to a police station to check if the female file a report against him, viewers and subscribers. But based on the video we see and certain information we get, is like him go to one police station to find out if the female file any form of report against him or make any form of report against him. But the female go to one different police station and make a report based on the information me I get. See? Now my people, based on certain words that have been said in that video, and based on some words that have been said in the audio, that you can hear a person who is said to be a female talking about the whole situation. Could it be that the whole situation was a misunderstanding? But at the same time, because of some bad things that happen in Jamaica, a lot of people nowadays will not take any form of chance with their lives. And to be honest, I cannot blame them. So, could it be that the whole thing was just a misunderstanding? Leave a comment or comments and let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. Alright, so if you're new to my channel and you like the way I bring information to you, my viewers and subscribers, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And here's where I'm going to leave it. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.